Are you a single man seeking adventure, affordability, and a vibrant lifestyle in 2025? Ecuador might just be your ideal destination. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 cities in Ecuador where single men are thriving, offering insights into each city's unique appeal. From bustling urban centers to serene coastal towns, discover where you can live your best life in Ecuador. Quito, Ecuador's capital, is a city where history and modernity coexist. Nestled in the Andes at 2,850 meters above sea level, it boasts a UNESCO World Heritage listed old town with colonial architecture and vibrant plazas. Neighborhoods like La Mariscal are known for their lively nightlife, offering an array of bars and clubs that cater to diverse tastes. For single men, Quito provides a dynamic environment with opportunities to meet locals and fellow expats, all while enjoying a rich cultural scene. Cuenca is often hailed as Ecuador's most picturesque city, renowned for its well-preserved colonial architecture and temperate climate. It's a favorite among expats, offering a relaxed lifestyle with a lower cost of living. The city's vibrant art scene, coupled with its array of cafes and social events, makes it an excellent place for single men to build connections and enjoy a fulfilling social life. As Ecuador's largest city and main port, Guayaquil is a bustling metropolis with a thriving economy. Its Malecon 2000 waterfront promenade is a hub of activity, featuring restaurants, shops, and cultural attractions. The city's energetic nightlife and diverse population create an exciting environment for single men looking to immerse themselves in urban living and meet people from various backgrounds. For those who dream of coastal living, Salinas offers sun, sand, and surf. Known for its beautiful beaches and resort-like atmosphere, it's a popular destination for both tourists and expats. The laid-back lifestyle, combined with a variety of beachfront bars and social gatherings, provides ample opportunities for single men to relax and socialize in a tropical setting. Loja, located in southern Ecuador, is a city rich in music and culture. It's known for its friendly locals and vibrant arts scene. The city's smaller size fosters a close-knit community, making it easier for newcomers to integrate and form meaningful relationships. For single men seeking a quieter, culturally immersive experience, Loja presents an appealing option. Ecuador's diverse cities offer a range of lifestyles to suit different preferences. Whether you're drawn to the cultural richness of Quito, the expat-friendly atmosphere of Cuenca, the urban energy of Guayaquil, the beach vibes of Salinas, or the artistic charm of Loja, there's a place for you to thrive. If you're considering a move or an extended stay in Ecuador, these cities provide a solid starting point for your journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into international living and travel. Share your thoughts or questions below, we'd love to hear from you.